Okay, that's all our parts cut. So we've got hands, arms, legs, body. This is the hips, so that won't be seen, and hair. Yes, we've cut hair. So hopefully that fits over the head. I've measured this and it should do. And then the head itself is still on the rotary axis, so I've cut it there now. So I'm going to have to use dowels, I think, to hold these together. So the next time you see this, it'll be sanded and it'll be starting the assembly. So I made a model of the whole man on the rotary axis, which isn't all that successful really. It couldn't do the holes at the back of the legs. Now I haven't done them on the two-sided piece either, because I can't do them. And then I've found that you can't do the sides because this rotates around the central axis, so you can't do the inside parts of the hands. So it didn't really work out all that successfully, but it gives me a good guide when I'm assembling all of the components together. So I'm going to sand these down, put a bit of wax on them, and the next time you see it I'll be doing the assembly. Before I go any further here and wax these parts, I thought I would try to assemble them just in case I need to do any sanding, any fettling, just to make pieces fit together a little bit better. So here goes. Now I've already glued in dowels, so these will hold the arms and the head, and I've screwed the hips on and drilled through for a dowel. So we'll go ahead and fit the legs first. So these have a little notch. I'm not sure if you can see, there's a little notch on there just to clear the hips. And I have a dowel in here already. So those are 6mm dowels, so it's a 5.5mm hole, and that really does hold it quite tight. So we'll put this through, and then we've got the legs. Arms next. So we'll put our left arm on, and I've attached the hands already. So we've got a little bit of articulation in the hands, just keeping that nice and tight. So that was the dowel that was created on the CNC machine. So those are fitted together quite well. So we'll put these arms on, and they're good and tight. Now I'll put the other arm in. Okay, so those are fitting together quite well. Next, the head. So again, a dowel, nice and tight. And then the hair, so we'll get him to sit up there. There, it's not a very stable surface. No, it's not. Right, so let's put the hair on. So I've stained the hair with a mahogany wood stain. We'll put that on, and there we go. So he just needs a face, and then we can wax him up, and then we'll have a look at him when he's finished.